Wagwan blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and as you can see by the title, today we are going to be talking about this hair. So I got this hair from AliPearl, and if you know AliPearl, you know they're always giving quality. So I've got this 22-inch HD lace 180 density body wave wig, and I installed it in this video. So this video is going to be an install and my first impression. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a voiceover. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover, so bear with me if this is very awkward. I'm always going between using a glue or using a spray. Today I'm using a glue. I'm using the ebony glue to mold down the rest of my wig cap. And then I'm going to go in with the spray as well. So I'm just going to use a mix of two. I kind of just go, you know, with whatever I'm feeling in the moment. So I'm just cutting some of the lace so that it's easier for me to install the wig in sections. I'm going to use both the glue and the lace I'm going to use both the glue and the spray today. So I'm just going in with the ebony black spray. This has been all the rage all over the internet, and to be honest, I really enjoy it as well. This holds your wig down. So I'm just going to use the blow dryer to, you know, dry it, make it get a little bit tacky, and then I'm going to press the lace into the spray with a comb. I like to use like a fine tooth comb, like a rat tooth comb, a rat tail comb to just press it in and make sure it's secured. I do that with the first section, the middle section first, and then I do it on both sides, and then I make sure that I blow dry it again, make sure it's all dry, all secure as I can anyway. I honestly hate cutting off the air tabs. It's like my least favorite part of wig making or wig installing. It's so difficult, and it's like you can really make a big mistake. But anyway, after all that like lace is cut, sometimes there can be like a little white line, so I just go in with an extra layer of spray just to melt everything in, make sure everything is secured. I use a blow dryer to make sure it's all dried up again. But yeah, this is how I get my final melt. So this is the lace reveal, and oh my god, I loved the melt. It was giving scalp. It was perfect, if I do say so myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, because I think I did a really good job this time in particular. I love to curl the hair away from the face, and this hair took a curl really well. And one thing I will say is the luster. It was so soft, it was so shiny. The hair was just actually beautiful, but I don't expect anything less from AliPearl. Oh my god, the lace was perfect, the knots were small. It was just a really good unit. I really enjoyed it. So this is the finished look, and I love it. I added a few baby hairs off camera. Usually, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy with baby hairs. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. But with this tool, it just felt like it called for baby hairs. Like I was gonna go without, but it needed some baby hairs to just pull it together, and I think it did. The hair is so incredibly soft. Like it is like butter. Like, ooh. The hair is so fine and so soft. It's gorgeous. The hair took curls really well, to be honest. Like really well, which is to be expected with body wave, but you still never know. I will update you in the comments how long the curls last, but I am really loving this hair. Like, I'm really loving it. The HD lace is, you know, giving HD lace. I love it. It's doing what it's supposed to do, undetectable. Like, the funny thing is, like, I love HD lace, but with HD lace, you have to make sure your bald cap is immaculate, or else it's the bald cap that they're gonna clock, not the lace, which is, you know, another kettle of fish on its own. But all in all, I am very happy with this. Like, I love this hair. It looks so good. This is the full length, and look how shiny and gorgeous this hair is. I love it. This is about to become my favorite wig. I don't know, maybe but yeah,